Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried rice masala powder at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need whole spices like 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Also, prepare 4 to 5 dried red chilies, 2 small pieces of star anise, and a 1-inch stick of cinnamon. Fresh ingredients are key for the best taste. Now, let's move on to roasting our spices. Place all the whole spices into a dry pan over low to medium heat. It is important to roast them gently, stirring continuously, for about 3 to 5 minutes. This process brings out their essential oils, intensifying their fragrance and creating a richer, more complex flavor for your masala powder. Do not burn them. Once your spices are beautifully roasted, it is absolutely essential to let them cool down completely. This cooling step prevents the spices from clumping and ensures a fine, smooth powder. Transfer the cooled spices to a clean spice grinder or a powerful blender. Grind them until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. You can also add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for color. Finally, let's talk about storing and using your wonderful homemade fried rice masala powder. To keep it fresh and potent, transfer the powder into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. This will help maintain its vibrant flavor for up to 2 months. When cooking, simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons per serving of fried rice for an authentic taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.